Hi guys, this is Pallabi and welcome back to my channel. So there's this new color blocking trend going on among all the bloggers, and not just bloggers, people have also started including these in their everyday outfits. But oh my god, I've seen so many people do this the wrong way. So not only will this be a kind of lookbook, but I'll also give out some tips on how you should pair your colors together based on the type of the outfit you're wearing, based on your skin tone and your style. Now, most of you will think that, who thinks of all these things before picking out an outfit? And I'll totally agree with you. There was actually a time I never bothered about these things as well. But there are certain things that I learned while I started designing my outfits, like the color of the lace that would complement an outfit, the color of the embroidery thread that would match a particular color of the outfit, and these small little things. And also while I style my outfits for the YouTube videos for that matter. So if not for everyday fashion, this video will definitely help you to stand out when you want to stand out. So starting with the actual video, the first look would be a safe and satin choice, mostly for formals. That would be a blacks, greys and whites. These are not colors basically, these are just different shades and tints you add to other colors to change their values. Black is the complete absence of colors and white is all the colors combined together, while grey is just an equal mixture of both black and white. You can pick any of these colors and combine with any of them, and I guarantee it works out every time. Most of us have black as their favorite color and prefer it over any other color. So we can now start with our actual color blocking, but before that I'd like to bring up the color wheel, because come on, we need to know our colors. So we know that the color wheel consists of the primary, secondary and the tertiary colors. I mean, we should know that. If you don't know, our color wheel consists of the primary, secondary and tertiary colors. So 12 basic colors, and all the other colors in the world are just different levels of lightness and saturation of these colors. So the first and the safest way is pairing up analogous colors. These are the colors that occur side by side on the color wheel. It is a safe choice because the contrast is not very high, it remains subtle, and you still follow the color blocking theme. You can actually incorporate these in your everyday outfits and your office wear as well. The next are the triadic colors. These are the ones that are exactly 4 colors apart from each other. So you'll always have 3 colors in one set. For one of my looks, I used only 2 out of the 3 colors, and for other I tried using all the 3 colors. These have a slight contrast to them, but you can still use these in your everyday outfits or maybe for some parties if you're up for some bold looks. The final ones are the complementary colors. These are the ones that are exactly opposite to each other. These are heavily contrasting, and I tried my best to put all these colors together without making it look very loud. I'm not a big fan of color blocking, guys. I'm more into these light colored or mono-colored looks, and I had a real tough time bringing all these looks together with all the limited bright colored outfits that I had.
Even in a hateful it exists. Why can't we just look at the look now? It's been so long, yeah. We gotta reunite, yeah. Put a man with a gun. You gotta know what goes around comes back around. Asking for forgiveness is the new sun. We'll never forget, but silence is loud, yeah. For the man that rush, the one you want the rest of it, that will be proud. Never be a higher ground, no discount. The only other going to be mine, yeah. Tell her not to wake up now. They be sleeping on this way too long. Time for them to take up now. Soon enough they sing a different song. Change will not be easy, it's a necessity. You don't see what we see, you know we're meant to be. Soon enough they wake up now. You've been sleeping for too long, you gotta wake up, yeah, yeah, yeah.
The most important aspect here is the skin tone, because every color does not match everyone. Skin tones vary from a warm tone to a cold tone, and the way you can relate is how some of us prefer wearing golden jewelry while some prefer silver jewelry. Mine is a lot towards the colder tone. Now coming to the giveaway, if you can recall the red sari look that I showed earlier, I was wearing this pink embroidered belt with it. So that is what I'll be giving away this time. I'll not give away that belt itself because I made that for myself, and most importantly it fits my waist. But I'll make an exact same one for one of you guys, and since I haven't started working on it as yet, I can probably customize it if you want with any color of your choice, or maybe a different pattern if you want, provided it is within my capabilities and I have the materials available. It's a very nice belt, guys. You can pair it with the sari as I've shown before, or maybe you can wear it with a dress for an Indo-Western or a Bohemian look. The rules are simple. You simply need to subscribe to my channel, and as I've mentioned in my earlier videos, comment down below so that I know that you've subscribed to my channel. I'll probably announce the winners in my next video. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye bye.